Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. So today's vocabulary: espionage, ESPIONAGE, enigma, ENIGMA, profound, PROFOUND, unveil, UNVEIL. The first one, espionage, spying. Synonyms: intelligence, reconnaissance, undercover work, operations, undercover operations. Hope you got the idea, right? So we'll be sending some spies to the other country to find out the secrets. These are all called espionage. So ESPIONAGE, reconnaissance, shadowing, undercover operations. So using spies to discover secrets, especially political or military information of another country, or you can find out secrets of technical information of other company also. Antonyms: candid, frank, open, so no secret at all. Example: the authorities have arrested 4 people suspected of espionage. Next one, enigma, mystery, knot. So once you put a knot, it is not easy to open, right? So some knots not easy to open. Knot, puzzle, perplexity, riddle, brain teaser, conundrum. Remember the word ma, conundrum, a difficult problem. So CONUNDRUM, conundrum. Antonyms: solution, key, outward, solution, key, outward. So unconcealed, opened, acknowledgement. So easy ones. Example: there are many stories about the enigma of the plane's disappearance. So still many stories are there, mystery, we don't know, right, what exactly has happened of plane's disappearance. Profound, thoughtful, deep knowledge, having or showing great knowledge. Thoughtful, abstruse, deep, esoteric. Esoteric also understood by a few people only. It is not easy to understand. Antonyms: trivial, again so unimportant, superficial, mild, skin deep, having skin deep knowledge. What is skin deep knowledge? Skin is deep? No, right? So skin deep knowledge is very less knowledge, very less knowledge. Superficial, trivial, mild, these are all antonyms. Example: motivational speeches of Mr. Thakur had a profound effect on his students. Unveil, reveal, unveil, many of you know that one. Veil means mask, unveil means unmask. So actually when it will be used, unveiling a new statue, to take off veil, show announcement publicly for the first time, then and all we will use unveil. The company will unveil its new car tomorrow, so it is going to open that one, inauguration. So cutting, ribbon cutting, all these things so comes under unveil. Synonyms: disclose, display, launch. Antonyms: conceal, veil, cover up, hide, mask. That also we can say antonyms, under antonyms. Example: Gujarat CM unveils the world's second tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Clear? Shall we round it up? Espionage, spying. Synonyms: intelligence, reconnaissance, undercover work, undercover operations, shadowing. Antonyms: candid, frank. Example: the authorities have arrested 4 people suspected of espionage. ESPIONAGE, remember that. Enigma, mystery, riddle, puzzle, knot, perplexity, conundrum. So not easy to understand, not easy to understand, difficult to understand. So it's difficult to understand. Antonyms: solution, key, outward. Example: there are many stories about the enigma of the plane's disappearance. Profound, thoughtful, understood by only few people with a special knowledge, or very great or intense, having or showing great knowledge. Synonyms: abstruse, deep, esoteric, philosophical, arcane, recondite, not known to many. That is what the meaning. Antonyms: trivial, superficial, mild, skin deep. Example: motivational speeches of Mr. Thakur had a profound effect on his students. Unveil, reveal. Synonyms are disclose, display, launch. Antonyms: conceal, veil, cover up, mask. So example, Gujarat CM unveils the world's second tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the company will unveil its new products next Sunday. So many examples can be given. Clear this one? That's end of today's session. Thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.